Platform 5 for the 1943 Stepford Connect Service to Stepford Airport Central. Calling at Benton Bridge, Stepford Airport Parkway and Stepford Airport Central. This train is formed of 5 coaches. Your attention, please. The 1949 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Victoria has been cancelled. This is due to Platform 3 for the 1953 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Central. Calling at Stepford Central only. This train is formed of 3 coaches. Platform 1 for the 1955 Stepford Connect service to Morganstown. Calling at St Helens Bridge, Ellesmere Junction, Berrily, East Berrily, Bewley Park and Morganstown. Due to a short platform, passengers for East Berrily should travel in the front 4 coaches. This train is formed of 5 coaches. Your attention, please. The 2000 Stepford Connect service to Stepford UFC has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable. Platform 2 for the 1955 Stepford Connect service to Edgemead. Calling at St Helens Bridge, Bowden, Coxley, Benton, Benton Bridge, Hampton Hargate, Wharton Newton, Rocket Parade, Leighton, Stepford Road, Leighton City. Train now approaching platform 7. Stop here. Please stand back from the platform edge. Platform 3. Team 3. Third connect. Service 2. Central. Central is formed of 5 coaches. At platform 3 is the 1959 Stepford Express, service to Lynn by the Sea via Benton. Calling at St Helens Bridge, Benton, Leighton, Stepford Road, Leighton City, Edgemead, West Wyvern, North Shore. Located at the front of the train. Train now approaching platform 2. It's here. Train now approaching platform 7. Terminates here. This train is the service from Morganstown.